Ibn al-Jawzi rahimahullah ta'ala, he mentioned and he says, وَجَدْتُ بَعْدَ الْبَطَّالِينَ, I found some people who wasted my time in my life. In fact, he said, I تأملت وقتي, I reflected on my time, and I realized none of my time goes to waste. All my time is beneficial, productive, effective, nothing goes to waste. Except one time, where some of my family would come and visit me, and some people they wanted to waste my time. So what I did is when those family came to visit me, I would say to them, come visit me. And I would use that time when they're speaking and I'm speaking to them, and I would use it in order to cut my paper and sharpen my pens. So even that time he utilized it. He realized that's the time that is a negative, I can use it with something else. So every time his friends came over, he took his pens out and his paper and he's cutting and he's talking. He's giving them time and he's also doing something useful at the same time. That's how he was, rahimahullah ta'ala.